What should we do if we sneeze or cough?
This session could save lives. Primary school children are taught why, when and how to wash hands and what else they can do to stay safe from cold, flu and other bugs and viruses.
I'm on a mission, you see, to keep all viruses away from you and me.
With a story, games, songs and crafts, the workshop is designed to assuage many children's growing fears about the coronavirus.
I think there's quite a lot of panic and scaremongering going on at the moment, and obviously children, they do take on how adults feel around them as well. So this is just a fun way to put these really important messages across.
Give me the action.
Tina Stubbs has been writing children's books about bugs for years and was asked by a parent to write one about the coronavirus. Her class certainly made an impression.
Wash your hands! Learning about washing your hands.
Why is it important?
Because you might get the coronavirus.
To not let the bugs stay alive and just try to flush them down the drain.
Can you tell us what your favourite bit of the class was today?
It was making clay models. When we sung.
Yeah. And why do you sing? Why do you do that?
To wash your hands for 20 seconds.
All schools should remain open unless told to close by health officials. That's the message from government. Today, the Education Secretary said there was little evidence that closing schools was helpful.
The impact of closing schools on children's education will be substantial, but the benefit to the public health would not be.
And at school today, it was business as usual.
We're really just carrying on as normal, if I'm honest. We're just making sure that the cleanliness is high so the children are keeping that up, but generally we're just carrying on as normal.
And do you know what would happen if the school were to close? Like, how you'd be able to carry on learning?
As yet, we're just waiting. We're following public health advice and listening to the government's advice.
But all accept it's a changing situation. Pressure is mounting on the government to close schools. If that happens, this could be one of the last weeks these children spend together for some time. They will at least go home equipped with the knowledge of how to keep themselves safe. Charlotte Brewer-Edney, ITV News.